Okay, the lights are just kind of coming on here, and you get a little image of the Cotai Strip, including Morpheus, Venetian, Taipa Central down that way. This apartment building that we're standing in front of. These giant pillars everywhere that are amazing. And you can see this one up on from down below. And we're gonna kind of tell you what's all around in here from this nice vantage point up here. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Yeah, a little bit later the lights will come on and it'll look, there'll be like a little, it'll be all lit up. We don't quite have that right now, but we do have some lights that are lit up, which is kind of interesting. And you can see lots of casinos, including Wind Palace is that one. This is the University of Macau Science and Technology. They call it Must University. Morpheus, City of Dreams, COD, City of Dreams, Londoner, Big Ben, Parisian, Eiffel Tower, Galaxy down that way. Beautiful pillars. So we are going to walk down that way in a moment as well, and we're just going to kind of show you. I think that's a Greyhound dog. So those Greyhound dogs are also significant too, because these have a dog racing place here, and there was hundreds and hundreds of dogs, and that and they closed, so a lot of people, they adopted the Greyhounds. So I think that was one of the adopted Greyhounds. Pretty cool building right against this. But yeah, you can see all these trails in the back. Ocean way back there. I can see ships in the background over there. All the green is Must University. Wind Palace is the gold one. Morpheus is this one. City of Dreams here. MGM between the two. Yeah, pretty cool. I'm gonna keep on walking down. And that's kind of the strip. So when I think of Cotai Strip, I usually think of that. But actually, technically, Cotai Strip is, we're on something called Taipa. And those mountains over there are something called Koloan. So these used to be two different islands. And the Cotai is just all this reclaimed land between the two. So it's like a strip of land between two islands that they reclaimed from the ocean and called Cotai, Koloan and Taipa. So that's basically the Cotai Strip, is basically all that land. But sometimes I think of this one as, you know, like Las Vegas has the strip, and this is kind of like the most lit up area with the most activity. So it kind of feels like that's like the main strip. I think it's also called, I can't remember the name. There's a name, I think could be like Cotai Strip maybe. I forget the name of that road. And down here, that's the Raffles Hotel. That's a new one, just popped up. Galaxy is huge, so all those ones are Galaxy. That's Galaxy. Raffles is part of Galaxy. Galaxy Arena's in the back there. So that's huge. This Venetian is pretty big too, actually. But Venetian, Parisian, and London are all the same company. This right here is a big ecological zone. And those are the type of houses down there, those green ones lit up a little bit at nighttime. And this road right here, this takes us to Taipa Central, which is all those tall buildings over there. The lighting is just starting to come on as well. I'm just going to come over here real quick. I'm going to close down shortly. Yeah, really nice. Beautiful views. Lights are just coming on more and more. And then down here you can also see all these little pathways, so you can actually walk down those pathways all the way around in that area now. Then you can walk all the way down here, and then there's another one that can go up to that spot up there. You can walk around there, and there's an incline that goes up. You can see it right there as well. So that's another view. From that view, it's a little bit higher even, and you can see pretty much everything. So yeah, that's all Taipa Central. All the a lot of tall buildings in Taipa. It makes it very livable, very compact. Has a little bit of everything there. And that's our Cotai area. Okay, so I guess we're just going to end it right on our fountain. So pretty cool little space. Lights are even coming down a little bit more. Let's just walk up and then we're going to end it. It's kind of cool. They got like more of a pavilion right there as well, so that's lit up a little bit, and there's people walking around there now too. So I think now you might be able to walk around that whole lake right there. And it looks like there's some lights, so you can, that lights it up a little bit as well. So pretty cool little space. And I guess we'll end it right there. Lights are coming on even a little bit better, more and more. You can also see Venetian has a little bit of a waterway too, right? So they have the gondolas that go through there as well. So pretty cool space. Yeah, Macau, all kinds of cool stuff everywhere around the city. And let's end it there. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.